he goes. Ah, that's the hill we're gonna get up.
Yes. Oh wait, were you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. Right, you want to try first or me?
You can try first.
Alright.
There's TJ going on the hill. It's very wet though.
Yes. That's not the only thing I used to
I'm fine. You're like a black shadow. You! You don't even look like a shadow, you just look like a thing in the woods. Yeah, I can see you a bit. They're coming to get you.